Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming eligibility and the platform rules. Doing this prevents wasted effort and account issues. Once that is done, scan official channels for free code opportunities like promotions, community events, or beta tests, and join immediately. Make sure to enable secure email and two-factor authentication so you don't lose access. Also, keep a single organized place for incoming codes and campaign names so you can act quickly. Speed matters in limited time drops. Next, focus on claiming legitimately. Use the platform's redemption page or app, follow exact input formats, and complete any required tasks like surveys or referrals. If you are a creator or admin issuing codes, generate them with a secure random token system, set expirations, and track redemptions in a database to prevent abuse. Once claimed, immediately redeem or store codes safely. Also, make sure to read terms so you don't accidentally void a code by misusing a promotional offer. To finish, redeem codes promptly and confirm the reward appears in your account. Check inventory, balance, or entitlement screens. If something is missing, gather evidence. Screenshot the code, timestamp, and any error messages, and then contact official support with those details. When running your own code system, monitor logs for failed redemptions and set rate limits to avoid brute force. If an account restriction blocks redemption, escalate through verified support channels and avoid sharing codes publicly to reduce fraud risk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.